Here we are at the shop, getting a muffler installed. It's going to be a Magnaflow. I'll put the exact model number in the description. Beautiful day today. First time using this guy. One of my friends used him and he said he was good. Excited to see what it sounds like. So here's the update. We're going to run a dual pipe. I believe this is 2.5 inch, might be 3. Don't know if I mentioned this, but this is a Magnaflow. New ground control. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. As you can see, the back pipes are coming, and now the muffler has been mocked up. So that's getting on welded next, and then I'm gonna have to find some custom tips, maybe chrome or something. But yeah, this is coming next. Okay, exhaust is now installed. And these tips are temporary. I'm going to be getting on slip-on tips later, but now it's time to let the car down. Here's the first startup. Okay, just got the car home, finished giving it a couple coats of black paint. I didn't like the original look, so I just kind of painted it black. But yeah, overall I'm really happy. It looks sporty. It's not too loud. I'm gonna give you guys some shots later, and it's much lighter than the original one. Okay, sorry the car's a bit dirty again, but yeah, as I was saying, here's the exhaust. But overall I'm very happy with the install. It took about an hour and a half, and it was for a pretty good price. So yeah, now we're gonna start it up. Okay, that was the garbage truck. So this is what it sounds like. Okay, so that's just some light revs, like 4,000, 5,000 RPM, around there, I think. But it's not too obnoxious. You can definitely tell it's got some sort of exhaust, but it's not to a point where it's obnoxious and annoying, and that's what I was going for.